Welcome to our YouTube video on Herbalism for beginners. In this comprehensive guide, we aim to introduce you to the fundamental concepts of herbalism, explore the various benefits of herbal remedies, and equip you with essential knowledge to kickstart your herbal journey. Herbalism, also known as herbal medicine, is a practice that dates back centuries. It involves utilizing plants and their extracts to promote healing and overall well-being. With a rising interest in holistic approaches to health and wellness, herbalism has gained significant popularity. In this video, we'll begin by providing a brief historical overview of herbalism and explain its transition from traditional cultures to contemporary society. Understanding the origins of herbalism allows us to appreciate its roots and cultural significance, while recognizing the empirical evidence supporting its efficacy. Next, we'll delve into the benefits of herbal remedies. From relieving common ailments to supporting harmony within the body, herbalism offers a natural alternative to conventional medicine. Our expert herbalists will discuss the range of conditions that can be addressed through herbal remedies, covering digestive health, stress management, sleep disorders, immune support, and more. We believe that everyone should have access to the power of herbs, and hence, we will guide you through the basics of building an herbalist toolkit. You will learn about commonly used herbs and their properties, ensuring you have a solid foundation for selecting the right herbs for your needs. With this knowledge, you can confidently enhance your wellness routine and nurture your overall health. Furthermore, we'll explain various methods of preparing and administering herbal remedies. From teas and tinctures to topical applications, we'll explore the diverse ways to harness the healing potential of herbs and ensure their maximum effectiveness. Our demonstrations and step-by-step instructions will empower you to create your herbal preparations with ease. To complement the practical knowledge, we'll provide essential tips on sourcing and storing herbs. We understand the importance of quality and sustainability in herbalism. Therefore, we'll discuss the significance of organic and ethically sourced herbs, as well as proper storage techniques to preserve their potency for extended periods. This video aims to serve as a stepping stone for your herbalism journey, igniting your passion for this ancient practice. As you progress, we encourage you to delve deeper into specific areas of herbalism, such as herbal gardening, wild crafting, and exploring the traditional systems of medicine. By the end of this video, we hope you'll feel inspired and informed about the wonders of herbalism, fostering a greater connection with the natural world and discovering the extraordinary healing properties found in plants. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with future videos on herbalism, advanced techniques, and DIY remedies. It's time to embark on your herbalism journey with confidence and curiosity. Let's unlock the magic of nature together.